Hi, so I'm giving you a little look at the gallery wall. I have been mentioning and sharing different little photos and frames and such that I've been organizing. A little bit here to the left of some reorganization I did for my desk area. So let's get started. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life. And this is my gallery wall I'm working on. Now, as I pan up, you can see that I still have many more photos and decor items to add as it goes to that top oval cat frame. And then if I pan around, you can see I have a cute Van Gogh cat. He's so cute. I have my skylights coming in. So the lighting, you can see the skylight reflection in the glass and just kind of coming around here. And I have a little heater for the cats. They're enjoying that. Some other artwork that I need to frame and do, but I wanted you guys to really have a good little look at how the gallery wall is coming along. If you remember and you have been here with me before, a lot of those frames were here on the left wall and on the beadboard, and I just didn't want that look. And then I have my monitor and such here. And then this little area over here, I still need to figure out with my sewing machine if I'm going to put like a little mini desk or a little mini roll desk or something like that to put my sewing machine in, or just like a little oversized comfy chair there. And then up here along the top of my trim of the beadboard is the little Cat's Meow Village I have, and that came out in the 80s. And every little house or church or shop, all of them have a cat somewhere, which could be on the ledge, a little windowsill, on the steps. It's really quite cute. And again, my other little, my painting, my Thomas Kincaid painting, and then some other little artwork that's here. So the changes have really, if you follow along and you look back at some of my craft space, creative space, it's so different. But the gallery wall, I'll give you guys a little closer look. It is really coming along quite cute. My desk space, just kind of keeping that with the things that I utilize a lot. And even though it's not completely cleared, it does not have quite as much as I had on here before, but I can easily grab and get the things that I need. And I can also spin around in my chair, open up my secretarial desk, do whatever I need in there. And then I will also give you guys in another upcoming video a closer look in my secretarial desk. I made some changes and some more organizing, so I will share that. And then in a previous video recently, I shared what I did with the wallpaper here. This piece of wallpaper I had, a sample, and this is it with a little trim added. And this is a little picture that I had added other little cuteness to. It was like an older gentleman, and I added the little cat face and the little fox and sheep and just kind of made it a little cutesier, along with the little squirrel on the bookshelf. Gaveco, a fountain pen Christmas ornament. And just some of my other little artwork of things that I've collected along the way. Postcards trimmed and put into frames. We're starting to get a little bit of glare from the window, so I'll try to angle that so that it doesn't have it. The little raccoon was from one of the recent ones I showed in the video. That was a little gift. So we are starting to get like lots of little glare, because if I pan around here, let me show you guys. I have my large window. There's Tom on his little cat tower relaxing. He's got his little cold in his eye. He's had this before, so we have his little medicine for that. Garden looks absolutely dead with winter time, but boy, wait till I show you guys that again in spring and summer. It's just so green and so lush and so pretty. And then my artwork up here. So I still have, again, to figure out that little corner. Is that gonna be just like a big cozy chair, a little bench, or maybe like a little small little cute desk for just the sewing machine? We'll see. It's not an area I have to access much. And then that is kind of like the little spin around up to the windows. Now I'm just losing the name of it. I always lose the name of it. I said it right at the beginning of this. Okay. Well, I have those. I have 2 of those windows in my space. So sometimes when I say like I'm fighting with the lighting and kind of just trying to do my best with that, is because I have light coming in from so many directions, from the large window to the windows above to my door going out as a window. So this is my first oil painting I've ever done. So I put that up on my wall. And you could just kind of see these are cute postcards. This one is from Nico Necco in New York. And a lot of little cat artwork and things that I enjoy. A little decoupage dog. I wish they had a cat, but it was so cute I couldn't leave it behind. I'm thinking about making a little miniature cat version-ish. Not as fancy, but we'll see. I'll do that in a little video for you guys. Some more of little plates and bowls and artworks and stuff. My camera for my room, and then up to that. And again, you can see the glare's really starting to come in. And then just like some little changes I've been working on and adding here, and some more of my Pagan All zip cases, and a bunch of those I have trimmed down. And I'll have to show you guys a little more detailed look at those in some of my other little videos. But how cute is this size? This was the long, tall one that I've trimmed down. And same with this. So I just made them a little more user-friendly to the size that I need. But it's great because when I'm working at my desk, I can flip around here. I can bring this desk down and grab what I need to journal or create. So I have both spaces now, which is really nice and really easily accessible. There is the glare on her now, so I am struggling with that little lighting in here. And this is a cute little vintage plate that I got, and I added this postcard. I just cut it out and made it oval, that I got from Yoseka a couple years ago, and it was a special one that one of their artists did for a Hobonichi launch. So that's really cute to have that. And my mousy cat that I painted, and we'll just come back down, and hopefully you guys don't have quite the glare. It looks like we do. And little critters I got from those like little blind boxes and such that you get. They're just so cute. Okay, and then we'll just go around here, and so you can see how easy and convenient. Oh, Tommy with his little cold. And it's going along pretty great. So I just wanted to give you a look. I'm still doing lots more changes in here and in this space, but I thought, let me share the gallery wall. Let me kind of share what's going on. A lot of glare we have right now. We might be getting a little snow. And so these are the little guys in here. I love the little fabric backing. It's not paper, it's a little fabric backing. So cute just to have those little guys right there. And by adding some of those little guys into the other thing, I have more space in here now for my stamps. And this is just my little stamps that have the white background. And this little house I got, again, at a little antique store. And then I did the paper in the background of it. And having my stamps and my things here accessible, which is really nice. And I will definitely do like a little closer up video sharing with you what's in my drawers. And I have a video for you guys. I have one in the past of this canvas, the Superior Labor Canvas Organizer in the smaller version. This is the larger version that I have a video I need to do for you guys. And then also a comparison of the two sizes. So look for that. And if you like this video or you like something in it, click that little like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to join me. I have lots of videos coming along. And thank you guys for joining me. And I hope you enjoyed the little look at some of the changes in my creative space. Thanks so much.